Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I'm very much
hands.
I am blending into the tablecloth. Thank God I look like a transparent fish. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our Tom fondly. I am so sorry with the finger guns. Oh my God. Oh my Lord, we have a Glossybox. I actually said this on Twitter, but really, I am gonna break out into a Southern accent probably for the next 6 weeks. And I'm sorry, okay? Been watching a lot of True Blood though, and I can't help it. Look, y'all, we got a Glossybox. I love Glossybox, I really do. Some months are great, some months are okay, but so far we've been on a really good streak with Glossybox. If you are not familiar with Glossybox, let me tell you a little bit about them first.
Glossybox is the perfect beauty surprise for friends, loved ones, and even yourself. For $21 per month, you get a beautifully wrapped box containing 5 deluxe-sized beauty products delivered directly to your doorstep. Each box is worth over $75, and you can either get a 1, 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. They make for an amazing gift too. Glossybox is a self-care treat every month that's delivered straight to your door.
Thank you to Glossybox for sending this my way. I super appreciate it. I love your face. Glossybox was kind enough to give me another discount code. So if you are interested, use the code Teresa to get your first box for $16. Now, before we even open this box, this is what was in there. This is interesting. It says, who gives a crap? This is the most you'll think about toilet paper all year. Seriously, one box of our toilet paper lasts an average person just under a year. Wow, okay. Ooh. Now see, I need soft toilet paper. Listen, my asshole is very bougie, okay? We only want the softest for my ass. But when you acquire soft toilet paper, it comes at a premium. So I'm actually kind of intrigued to try this a little bit because apparently fancy toilet paper without the fancy price tag. Listen, you got me there, all right? If I can take a comfy dump, I'm interested. So if you are interested in checking this out, here's a code. Go ham and treat your asshole to the best shit of their life, all right? I'm excited to try this. I'll let you know in the future what I think of it. Now, with that said, here's Glossybox. Every Glossybox, you do get this lovely pamphlet that just tells you all about the products that we get in today's box. Oh, what is this? It's a sneak peek of the advent calendar that is going to be coming up. This is going to be going on sale soon. Full disclosure, Glossybox is going to be sending me their advent calendar. So if you want to hold off on purchasing and wait for my video, you can do so. If not, this advent calendar is available as of September 16th. So I'm super excited about that. It looks like some brands are Glow Recipe, which we love, LMS, which is great, and then Victor and Rolf, which I'm pretty sure is a perfume company that I could care less about. So I'm excited for that guy. All right, kids, we got some stuff here. We got some heavy stuff here. I just hope it's good. Let's open up our pamphlet here, and we're gonna start with the first thing, which is this one right here. This is from the brand DHC, and this is a collagen all-in-one gel. Ooh, I love this packaging. Oh man, this is nice. What do you look like? Oh, you're orange. That's fun. How spooky. I love that. This lightweight facial moisturizer tones, hydrates, and brightens skin in one step. It's powered by, what the hell is this powered by? Astaxanthin Thin Mints. Astaxanthin. This word. Cool. Okay. A natural antioxidant proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 550 times more powerful than vitamin E in eliminating facial radicals that cause premature aging. So this guy retails for $49. Never heard of the brand, but can I say packaging is pretty fucking stunning. So I am intrigued to try this. I cracked open a new moisturizer, so this one's gonna have to wait, but I have no expectations. And when I have no expectations, it usually works out in my benefit. Watch this be the only time that it doesn't. The next product is, I thought it said Schitt's Creek. No, this is a Stress Check Clean Hands. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so this is from the brand This Works, and this is a hand sanitizer. So this is a travel size and it retails for $6. Of course, if you want the full size, it retails for $15. And it's described as keep your hands clean anywhere you go. This hydrating hand gel with 70% purifying alcohol, hard-working hyaluronic acid, and a super blend of lavender, chamomile, and neroli will make your hands clean, safe, and moisturized whenever you can't get to some soap and water. All right, so let's actually try that. Ooh. Okay, so You know how sometimes hand sanitizers can have like that really gross kind of sticky feel? It kind of has a little bit of a tack to it, but it's starting to dissipate and my skin feels really smooth. And it also could smell better. The smell is kind of strong, but you know, it is alcohol, so I'm getting that alcohol whiff. But it's not bad though. And my skin looks not bad. It feels really nice. And my skin has been incredibly dry lately, especially my hands. And I feel like my hands look pretty goddamn good. So this is going to live in my bag whenever I do leave my house, which is only like, you know, twice a month. So anyway, I will be definitely utilizing this. This is a really cool thing to get. The next thing is from Theresa.Dead. I'm probably butchering that and I do apologize. This is a full-size re-edition body cleanser. Clean and refresh your skin while nourishing, toning, protecting it at the same time. This organic, low-foaming, aromatic cleansing gel, which is suitable for all skin types, is infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe. So this retails for $23. And listen, I could always use a good cleanser. I do love that it's a body cleanser. Again, my skin is just, you know, I'm gross. Look at me, I'm gross. So I am going to put this in my shower and I will report back to let you know how this works. But yeah, not bad. We love a good body cleanser on this channel. Ooh, the next thing is from David's, and this is David's Natural Toothpaste. This is a deluxe mini. Freshen your breath with this premium sustainable toothpaste designed to naturally whiten, remove plaque, and freshen breath. David's is made with naturally sourced and naturally derived ingredients to elevate your health and oral care. Your teeth may be whiter in no time. So this little deluxe mini retails for $4.95. And you know, I'm very particular when it comes to toothpaste. I use Sensodyne. I have sensitive teeth to go along with my sensitive body, and that works well for me. Anytime I don't use Sensodyne, my teeth do not like it. So am I really gonna try this? I don't know. I think I might pawn this off to a friend because I know I'm not gonna get any use out of it and maybe someone else might like it. But this is kind of interesting. I have never received something like this in a Glossybox, so it's an interesting way to go. But we do love oral care on this channel. The next thing is from Daily Concepts. And this is, what the hell is this? I don't even know what this is. Oh, fun. Ow. Ow. Oh, I don't like the feel of that. Oh, is this like a body thingy? Yeah, it's a body thingy. Okay. Detox and refresh your skin for a youthful glow. Made for your body, this cloth cleanses and exfoliates at the same time. It detoxifies, rehydrates, and nourishes without stripping and drying out your skin. So you can look and feel your best. This retails for $14. This hurts. I don't like the feeling of this. It feels like I'm taking a Brillo pad to my skin. Ow. Yeah. Ooh, that's really kind of scratchy. Take this with a grain of salt. I am a baby, all right? I have very sensitive skin. Some people might like something like this and they like don't mind beating the shit out of their skin. Me, I need to protect it at all costs because literally that's all I have. So everything else is downhill on me, okay? I need to give the appearance that I look like I could be carted somewhere. So I don't think I'm going to fuck with this. And I know this is not for your face, this is for your body, but I don't need to have like rug burn anywhere. No, thank you. So we're gonna say no to this, but hey, A for effort, something different, right? Oof, okay. Last but certainly not least, we have these two. What? Oh no, I don't want this. This is from the brand Four Sigmatic. Hot cacao with reishi. I think that's how you pronounce it. Treat yourself to a better bedtime with a vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, organic cacao mix made with reishi mushroom. You'll experience a relaxing evening and a better night's rest. So these two packets retail for $4. Wow, okay. I don't like mushrooms. No, so I'm definitely not going to enjoy this, but these are the days where I wish I was in the office because I would bring this to somebody in my office and be like, here you go, I thought of you. Like, here you go, have it, Phyllis, you're gonna love it. And then feel bad immediately when they literally shit their pants because they can't take this. So I kind of miss that about an office, you know? I miss that. But in any case, that was September's box. Okay, yep, that's pretty much it. All right, hold on, let's bring back everything out. Okay, so moisturizer, interested, never heard of the brand, but it could be good, could be terrible, I don't know, but the packaging, I'm leading with my eyes and I like it, so I'm happy about that. We have the body cleanser, that's fine. It's not the sexiest product in the world, but whatever, we can fuck with it. And this product is actually probably the most practical out of the whole bunch because this is going to live in my bag. Especially, I really actually like this a lot. I think I might pick up a big bottle of it just kind of based on just using it now because my hands hands feel really nice. So I like that. Oh yeah, I forgot about this one. This is a big old no. This is terrifying. I wouldn't even give this to my own fucking enemy. Actually, maybe I might give this to my to my enemy because I kind of want to see if someone shits their pants about it. And the toothpaste, while an interesting thing to get because I'm not used to getting something like this in a glossy box, this is lost on me because I like what I like and this is not what I like. So this is going to be gifted to someone else. So in theory, technically there's just two products that I really just didn't jive with. One that is more like, this is cool, just not for me. But the other three I can fuck with. So I feel like we kind of broke even this month, which, you know, isn't bad. There have been better boxes with Glossybox. This is a little like, hopefully we're not reverting back to bullshit and hopefully we can continue to keep getting more and more cool stuff. So that said, if you are interested in picking up your very own Glossybox, feel free to use the code Theresa to get your first box for a whopping 16 doll hairs. So that said, thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this my way. I love your face and thank you for allowing me to, you know, be garbage. I appreciate it. And with that said, now I want to hear from y'all. If you do get Glossybox, let me know if you got this or if you got something different. I just want to hear from you. I love your face. I just want to smush it. Just want to smush your face. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really trashy, really filthy garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces and I just can't wait to like gobble you all up. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, which is pretty fun, everything will be listed in the description box below, along with where you can get these products and all that bloopity blop blop. And I'll see you little crab cakes later. Bye. You like this? Because I like it more.